My daughter loves this scramble, 1 egg scrambled egg. First, 1 egg and a tablespoon or so of a whipping cream, heavy cream, salt and pepper. On your pan, there is a dollop of a butter melted, coated onto your pan. Now we add all of our egg mixture. Pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in until we see a hard mixture of egg about now. Now we turn off our heat and finishing it off by slightly mix. Remove from the heat, and that's it, guys. I have her favorite plate. Come on. Spread even. Ooh. So that it cools off quickly. And this is my daughter's favorite.